Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to GM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, English of Prep Class.
Dear students, today we will learn something new in English phonics. Look at the page number 12 very carefully. The heading says digraph. Digraph means two letters make one sound. Today our digraph is CH. Listen and say the digraph CH with their words. Say CHIPS, chips. Say CHAIR, chair. CHICK, chick. Say CHING, watch. WATCH, watch. Next one is bench. BENCH, bench. Next one is chocolate. CHOCOLATE, chocolate. Last one is chain. CHAIN, chain. तो स्टूडेंट्स अब हम चलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी की तरफ. Say and match the digraph CH to the correct picture. We will match the pictures that have CH sound. Cheese? Yes, it has CH. Watch? Yes, it has CH. Chocolate? Yes, it has CH. Bed? No, CH sound. So children, only match the pictures that make CH sound. Excellent work, student. Remember, children, CH is equal to two letter, one sound.